We just came out to our new pen today. Got it all nice and cleaned up early this morning. That's Oliver. Hi, Oliver. You're getting to know the slide, huh? Yeah. We were having a busy day. We got our toenails done and we got wormed. Yeah. What? What? Huh? This is Dapper. He has his new name of Dapper because he's a pretty dapper fella, she said. Here's Piper. She was underneath there. Come on. Come on, Piper. Where's Baron? Y'all need to come out here so you can have your picture done. There, I got them out. Of course, they're going to go back in. Huh. There they go back in. Come on. They're not cooperating. Come on. Little guy's Baron. There's Baron. Hi, Baron. There's Piper, your sister. There she is. Say, we were a month old last week. Hey, guys, look. It's a beautiful day, so we all got to come out. Yeah. What's the matter? What's the matter? Well, here you come. We've been eating food. Mama's still with us. Yeah. Come on. Oh, you like that, huh? It's the first time I've used the cedar chips with my horse pellet, so it'll be interesting to see if it does better for us in the pen here. They'll go in after a while, but it's such a beautiful day I wanted them out. Yeah. What? Nothing to be crying about. Over here, see if you'll follow me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, hi. Look at you. Where'd your sister go? Hmm? Oh, I see her inside there. She's intrigued with underneath there. There's that little face. Come on, Piper. Come on, little girl. Come on. Come on, little girl. Come on. There you are. There you are. Okay, Oliver, where are you? Oh, you're walking by me. There you are. Oliver. Hey. Look at me. Hi. Hi, one ear up, one ear down. Oh, you chasing? You chasing that imaginary tail? Yeah? Oh, you're too fast for me. Oh, you found the water. Oh, it's not that bad. It's actually sort of fun. Why are you crying? Come on, Dapper. Come on, boy. There he is. Come on. Come on. Come on, that's it. That's it. Come on. Oh, so fast. So fast. Yeah. There you are. There you guys are. Chewing, chewing. Yeah, chewing, chewing. Oh. Oh, you'll get used to it. It'll be fun. Oh. Is it going to be fun? No? Okay, well, I got more pictures to take of the puppies that were born during the week, so hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a good day.